Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to uninstall Skype for business. Let's have a look now. Go to the control panel on your Windows computer, select Programs, Uninstall Programs, and find Skype in the list of installed programs. Right-click on Skype and choose Uninstall. So, that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. Graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zero Shop today. For more details, check the description box.